Good afternoon everyone. Come together for a briefing. Today in our briefing, I want to talk about your role in maintaining food safety. Did you know that if you do not take care of your personal hygiene you can make others sick?
Yes, I am aware of that, but since Jay is new here, please do explain it once again, chef.
We as food handlers can contaminate food if we are not careful. Good personal hygiene is the cornerstone of food safety.
Like if I am not well, I can spread that to others.
Yes, you were correct. If you are not well, inform your supervisor and try to stay at home till you are feeling better. Another important aspect is the hand washing. You must wash hands every time you finish your task. Also wash your hand if you take a break and come back to the kitchen.
Can I wear gloves and dispose it off?
Gloves is not a replacement for hand washing. Even if you wear gloves you must wash your hand before you put on the gloves. You also need to maintain personal cleanliness. Shower or bathe before coming to shift. And a short haircut is recommended in this kitchen. You have a responsibility to handle food safely. If you feel something is not right, tell your chef or supervisor.
Thanks for this briefing, chef. I now know my role in keeping food safe.
Alright, get back to work now. Before you go, do subscribe to the channel. Also, if you have not seen this series on food hygiene, click on the playlist to the right and watch the series on food safety. It is an important topic that you should know about. See you tomorrow.